Using trading tools when trading cryptocurrency can provide several benefits that can improve your trading performance and increase your chances of success. Firstly, trading tools can help you analyze market trends, identify potential opportunities, and make informed trading decisions. They can also automate some of the trading processes, such as executing trades based on predetermined criteria, which can save time and reduce the risk of human error. Additionally, trading tools can provide real-time monitoring of your portfolio and help you manage your risk by setting stop-loss orders and other risk management tools. Overall, using trading tools can give you a competitive edge in the fast-paced and volatile world of cryptocurrency trading. So in this video, I'm going to show you all top 5 crypto tools to use. Number 5. Altrady. Altrady is a multi-exchange cryptocurrency trading platform where users can easily manage their trades in a single interface. Altrady offers many tools and features to make your trading easier: smart trading, real-time position P&L, advanced trading, crypto-based scanner, crypto market scanner, etc. Altrady offers a free 14 days trial with just an email sign-up, so everyone can see and use their trading tools without being hesitant about paying for it afterwards. Altrady offers 3 subscription plans. You can save 30% if you pay annually. Number 4. Shrimpy. Shrimpy is a leading portfolio rebalancing tool and social trading platform for crypto. It offers an interactive user interface, unique features, and responsive customer support. With Shrimpy, users can develop custom cryptocurrency index funds, copy trading strategies, and even automate rebalancing. Like Altrady, Shrimpy offers tons of features like backtest strategies, automate trading, manage portfolios, and many more. You can start using Shrimpy with their free 1-day trial without linking any credit card. Number 3. TradeSanta. TradeSanta is a cloud trading software that allows you to take advantage of crypto market fluctuations. Connect TradeSanta to your exchange and trade 24/7 without making it a full-time job. TradeSanta offers trading bot, terminal, mobile app, trading signals, copy trading. TradeSanta supports Android and iOS, so you can use it anywhere, anytime. You can also start a free trial, and it doesn't require your credit card, just a simple sign-up and you're ready. TradeSanta accepts fiat and crypto payments for their subscriptions. Number 2. Koinly. Founded in 2018, Koinly is the leading cryptocurrency tax solution for accountants and tax professionals globally. The dedicated accountant platform is the fastest and most reliable way to calculate your client's crypto taxes, with HMRC-compliant reports generated within minutes. You can start for free without needing to link a credit card. Koinly offers annually subscriptions, $49 newbie subscription, and $99 holder subscription, and $179 trader subscription. Number 1. 3Commas. 3Commas is one of the most popular cryptocurrency trading platforms on the market today. It offers not only automated trading bots, but manual crypto trading as well. The Canadian-based company started in 2017 with the aim of helping users make money in a short period of time. They designed a simple and intuitive interface and developed sophisticated trading tools to make it an easy process to make money. They also provided great tutorials and videos on almost every trading feature that they offer, meaning that even beginners can use 3Commas to buy or sell crypto immediately. 3Commas platform has 3 different types of plans available to users. While there is no free version of 3Commas, there is a 3-day free trial available for the Pro subscription. Starter costs $29, Advanced cost $49, Pro plan costs $99. 3Commas supports Android and iOS, so you don't have to worry about portability. Guys, I am not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes only. Trade responsibly.